Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel Learn with Your Buddy, and today I am here with another project of our C programming series. This project is for the intermediate level. As till now we were doing for the beginner friendly projects, and now we will do the intermediate project. It will be a bit hard, actually not so much. It's like the projects we have made before. I have already made the project, so now let's understand it line by line. Well, these are the header lines. Well, these header lines include the standard input output library and the string functions like starlen, struct, cmp, star c, rspn, etc. etc. We are using header files like our previous projects, and then we have the this defines constant sizes for arrays, and user size and pass size are maximum lengths for username and password. So now let's go to the struct credential. Well, this defines a structure to store one pair of username and password. We also did this in our previous projects. I hope you guys are getting the similarities. And then we have the void, function declarations, and these are the function prototypes for all helper functions. Then we are in the main function. Well, this choice stores menu selection, and then we have while. Well, this creates an infinite loop, so the menu keeps showing until exit. And then we have this. Well, this displays the menu options. Okay, and then this if scanf. Well, now this reads user's choice. If user enters a letter or invalid input, it prints error and clears input buffer. So I hope you guys got it from the printf function. Okay, so now let's talk about the clear buffer. Okay, so now this clear buffer function, well, this removes leftover character from input. And then we have switch cases. Well, this call the appropriate function based on user's choice. Well, then this clear buffer removes leftover characters from input buffer after scanf and prevents unwanted behavior. So, and then void input string. Well, this reads input safely using fgets and removes trailing new line after character using star cspn. And then we are doing encryptions here. Yeah, these are very simple encryption method, Cipher, and this moves each character 3 positions forward in ASCII. And then we can see the decryption. Well, now this reverses encryptions and moves each character backward by 3. So yeah, these are the description. And then we have the file star ap. Well, this opens file in append mode and creates file if it doesn't exist. Again, after that we have a structure. Well, this creates a structure to new entry. Yeah, this line. And then we have this print. Well, this takes username and password from the user. Yeah, these lines. And after that they encrypt before saving. Okay, and this saves the encrypted data into the file and closes the file after that. Okay, so yeah, now it shows the credentials saved and all. And then it will again open a file in read mode. Well, that's why there is there is a R. Okay, and again that's structure thing. And here this while reads two strings username and password from each line. Okay, and then here this then they decrypt them. Okay, and then it will print the file and username, username and password. Okay, so after that it will search credential function, and then they will get username to search here. Okay, and after that this while this search through a file. All right, and this if star simple this compare with query username matches, then this displays decrypted credentials. Okay, so yeah, that's all. And if not found, it will see no credential found. Now let's run this. Here I will add credential. I'll enter choice 1, and then it will come for username, my name, and then enter a password 12345. Yeah, this credential saved, encrypted. And then it will add, I will add another credential, Sajida 2345. Now I will search, I'll view all the credentials. Okay, this I have done before, before checking the code that if it's working or not. And now I will try to search for the credential 3. Now username Juthi. Yeah, you can see that it's done. All right, it's done. So yeah, that's all for today. So yeah, that's all. That was our project for password manager, and I will share this on my GitHub also, and I'll give you guys the link in the description box. Please make sure you take my code from there. And if you guys face any problem while doing this, please contact me. Just comment your problem in the comment section, and I will try my best to solve them. So yeah, that's it. Allah Hafiz.